Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schlage Home app for smart lock configurations, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your smartphone has the Schlage Home app installed. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download it. Once the app is installed, locate the app icon on your device and tap to open it. On the app's welcome screen, you will see an option to log in. Tap on the Login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to check for any typos in both the email and password fields. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. Simply tap on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to receive a password reset link. After entering your credentials, look for a login button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to submit your information. If the details are correct, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the app. In case of an error, double-check your email and password, then try logging in again. Once logged in, you can begin configuring your smart lock settings. Explore the features available to you, such as viewing your lock status and setting user permissions. If needed, refer to the in-app help section for further assistance with configurations. Now you are ready to manage your Schlage Smart Lock from the comfort of your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.